Going on, guys? It's Shannon from SB88. Guess what? I'm fitting parking sensors today, and it's bloody cold. That's why I got two hoodies on. Let me show you where I'm at. These are the 4 sensors, or 8 sensors, but in this case, on this car, which is a Nissan Juke, I don't want to get the full reg in there. It's having 6 sensors because of the shape of the front bumper. I'll just put it in there. I'll probably blur it. Yeah, there's no real nice place to put 4 sensors, so I'm gonna go for 2 in the front, and then around the back, I'm gonna put 4. So the line in the middle, that's the symmetry line. We're gonna have 4 sensors there, right? So I got 2 painted ones for no reason. I didn't realize until I just done that last measurement to the front. But yeah, I'll show you as I go along what's happening. So these are the holes drilled in. As you can see, the bumper hasn't been taken off. Yeah, bumper's still on there. And now I'm going to start fishing my wires through. See my little chair back there? Saves the back. Yo, so here we go. The sunlight is kind of in the way now, but most of the sensor wires are run now. You can see one through there, one through there, and then all of them coming through there. I need to fish them back through there, back out through there, in through there. Whilst I was here, I've got the power supply for the unit. This is the reverse light wire. You can see green and black going there. That's green and black, that's a reverse light bulb. And the black across all of them, that's the ground. Picked up there, yeah. That's it. So that's the power supply. I'm going to fish it then into the car and put the buzzer in there so you can hear it. I'll see that in a minute. So I missed a step. I mean, I'm getting through the job alright. Just checking my nose. It's cold as hell, man. The back sensors are done and working. Missed a step of the tucking the wiring away behind. Sorry about that, but check this out. So the buzzer is in here. Can you see it just there? Behind there, that's the buzzer, and all the wiring is just down the side, stuck to the panel behind there. That's the rear parking sensors done. The fronts now, the wiring, the sensors are in, one there and one there. At the moment I've got the wires pulled through here. I've got to run them down in here. And also I've got to run some wires through the bulkhead, and after the bulkhead obviously I'm going to have to pick up some power. Oh, what's going on here? Sorry, the camera's like it's super zoomed in. Can't even see down there because of the lighting today. Yeah, I'm going to come in through down here. We'll put this torchlight on. Coming through, there's a rubber grommet up there. Probably take the glove box out, run the wire to the fuse box, and then through the sensor of the car, I'm going to put a switch just underneath here. This is the bottom of the steering column to switch it on and off. So let's do that now, so I can get out of this cold, man. This is a Nissan Juke, by the way. I forgot to mention Nissan Juke, and I am working today in Bellingham, which is SE6 near Croydon. Finished. It's been really cold, but I'm done. Let me give you guys a quick run through of how it works. Yeah, you can see you've got 4 parking sensors on the back. And we've got just 2 parking sensors on the front. Just there is a switch to turn the parking sensors on the front on and off. And as you can see, there's no wiring anywhere to be seen except there, which I'm going to put right now. Along here, it's a little wiring up there, but it's way out of sight. Yeah, way out of sight. The buzz up for this parking sensor system is just up on top of there. And let me pop the bonnet. So I'll put this bonnet stand up. Just there. My wiring. You can see 2 wires going that way, 2 wires there, and the control unit is that blue package down there next to the ABS control unit. And that's it. Right, let's test this out. So cold, so cold. What's the temperature? Okay, so on a 2 sensor system, when you start it up, you get 2 beeps. Right, I can use the switch underneath here. Switch it off. Sensors are off. Switch it on. That's the sensors on for the front. So let's test it out. Looks like I'm already on the front of the car. So when you get the constant beep like that, let's have a look. We've got about 30 centimeters in the front, so it's got a lot of space after you get your constant beep. 30 centimeters, but if you look in the front here, it looks like we're already touching, so we can still go some more. Turn that off. Select reverse. Yeah, so that's well, the customer's got this down, so it's a bit loud, but there's nothing behind us. Let me just do a quick. Nah, there's nothing behind us, but it works in the same way as the front, so I'm not gonna turn the car around or anything like that. It's not that time right now. All right, I'm done on this job. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely give us a like, and really appreciate you subscribing. Let me turn this camera. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I will definitely get back to you. I haven't got that many subscribers at the moment, so it will be light work. I'm off home now to look at a Ford Transit that has no brakes, so I just don't do parking sensors, I do a bit of everything, you know. See you in the next video. Peace out.